Are you a student looking for ways to earn money online? If yes, then you've landed at the right place. Today, we're diving into the vast world of online earning opportunities, specifically tailored for students like you. Having an extra income not only helps meet your expenses but also equips you with valuable skills and experiences. What's more, these methods can be pursued right from the comfort of your home or dorm room if you prefer. So, are you ready to boost your pocket money? Stick around as we unravel 20 amazing ways for you to make money online. Let's get started. The first method we will be discussing is affiliate marketing. This involves promoting products or services for a commission. As a student, this is a fantastic way to earn money online. And the best part is, you don't need a degree to get started. You simply share your unique affiliate link, and when someone makes a purchase through your link, you earn a commission. Some popular platforms for affiliate marketing include Amazon Associates and ClickBank. Remember, consistency and patience are key, as it may take some time to see results. With a little effort, affiliate marketing can become a steady source of income. Next up, we have blogging. Blogging is a wonderful way to share your thoughts on topics you're passionate about, and you can make money doing it. You can start a blog on platforms like WordPress or Blogger and monetize it through ad revenues, sponsored posts, or affiliate marketing. It's all about creating engaging content that attracts readers. The more traffic your blog gets, the more money you can earn. Remember, consistency is key, and the best part? Blogging not only helps you earn but also improves your writing skills. Moving on, we have online surveys. Online surveys are a quick and easy way to earn money by simply sharing your opinions. These surveys are conducted by market research companies who are interested in your thoughts on various topics, from products and services to your lifestyle choices. All you need to do is sign up on reliable survey platforms such as Swagbucks, Toluna, or Pinecone Research, to name a few. Once registered, you'll receive surveys that match your profile. Complete these surveys and you'll be rewarded with cash or gift cards. Remember, every opinion counts and can help you earn. Our fourth method is online tutoring. Now this one's a win-win. You get to revise and strengthen your own understanding while helping others and earning money. The beauty of online tutoring is that it can be done from anywhere, at any time. You can teach subjects you excel in, or even languages you're fluent in. There are numerous platforms out there like Chegg, Tutor.com, and Wizant that make connecting with students around the world a breeze. By sharing knowledge, you're not just earning money but also contributing to someone's education. Halfway through our list, we present freelancing. Picture this: you're your own boss, taking on projects that excite you and earning money from the comfort of your home. That's the beauty of freelancing. It's a method of self-employment where you offer your skills and services to clients. It could be anything: writing, graphic design, programming, or even voiceover work. Popular platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer make it easy to connect with clients worldwide. Freelancing gives you the freedom to work on your own terms. Next on our list is graphic design. This is a fantastic opportunity for those of you with a knack for visual creativity. Graphic design allows you to create digital art for businesses, websites, and individuals all over the world. Popular platforms such as Adobe Creative Cloud offer a variety of tools for designing logos, posters, and more. Meanwhile, websites like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer make it easy to find clients who need your skills. So if you've got an eye for aesthetics and a hand for creating, why not turn your creativity into cash with graphic design? Another exciting way to earn money online is via YouTube. As a student, you can create your own YouTube channel focusing on a niche that you're passionate about. It could be anything from gaming, tech reviews, to DIY crafts or cooking tutorials. Once you've built a decent following, you can monetize your channel through ads, sponsorships, or even by selling your own merchandise. Popular niches tend to attract more viewers, so consider what interests you and what could appeal to others. YouTube is a great platform to showcase your talent and earn. Let's move on to selling custom t-shirts. This is a fantastic way to combine creativity with entrepreneurship. If you've got a knack for design, why not put it to good use? You can create your own unique t-shirt designs and sell them online. There are numerous platforms available such as Teespring, Zazzle, and Redbubble that make it easy for you to upload your designs and sell your shirts to a global audience. So if you've ever dreamed of seeing your artwork worn by others, this could be your chance. With custom t-shirts, you can turn your fashion sense into a business. Another method we have is launching an online course. If you're well versed in a particular subject, why not share your knowledge with the world? Creating an online course allows you to do just that. You can structure your course into modules, lessons, and quizzes to engage your audience. Platforms like Coursera, Udemy, and Skillshare make it easy to host and sell your courses. They handle all the technical stuff, allowing you to focus on creating engaging content. Share your expertise and earn money through online courses. We have reached the end of our list. We've journeyed through 20 diverse ways to earn money online, from affiliate marketing and blogging to online surveys, tutoring, freelancing, and even designing custom t-shirts. Each method presents a unique opportunity to boost your income while honing your skills. It's important to explore and find the method that suits you best, as there's no one-size-fits-all solution. Remember, the internet is full of opportunities. It's up to you to seize them. Good luck with your online money-making journey.